Hello Dragonites, Sarcastic Dragonite here. Pretty good day at work. I'm currently snacking on the third ever Dragonite Blizzard. Contains cheesecake pieces, M&Ms, I gotta get another piece of this, caramel topping, and I'll upload a picture of it, 2 little pieces of whipped cream for the antenna. So yeah, had 2 people come in and buy some today. It was Dan Veal, who gave me this really cool wristband that I actually gonna put on right now and never take off, except when I get in the shower. I don't want to get too wet. So yeah, this is cool. Fits quite perfectly. And I'm going to unpack the cards Meghan Lamont gave me. Thanks to you two coming in. You didn't have to give me stuff, but that was still cool. Alright, first one in the pack, Dratini. Yeah, I got a Dratini, Magneton, Ponyta, a Jinx, Bulbasaur, a Gyarados holographic, Wurmple, Pikachu. Let me take a bite of this. Ivysaur, holographic Crawdaunt, holographic Cacnea, Duskull, Igglybuff, Cyndaquil, Carava, Shelder, Meditite, a Zigzagoon, Lombre, Abra again, 4 Abras, a Coughing, Horsey, another Horsey, 3 Horsies, Tentacruel, Squirtle, Cubone, Rhydon, Mankey, Machop, Rhyhorn. I'm just gonna say notable ones. Golbats. This is in a different language. But it's a Weeping Bell in a different language. These are all in different languages. That's actually in... These are all cool stuff. A lot of these in different languages. This one's called Nosferapti. These are all Zubats. And then 2 more Dratinis. So cool. Thanks to Meghan. Next time you'll get a chance will be Tuesday, Valentine's Day. I'll be working 6 to 9 because everyone else took it off. And I never work Tuesdays, but they just assumed that I'd be happy to work. So yeah. I never worked Tuesday, but they just gave me Tuesday just because everyone else took it off. So yeah. It's a good Blizzard. Like I said, look for the Outrage Blizzard if you don't live anywhere near here. This is good shit.